Welcome to the Profit Trap Podcast, Health Insurance Industry Secrets, for anyone who will ever own or use health insurance in their lifetime. Health Insurance Information Alert, Adverse Selection, the Profit Pool. Adverse Selection, the Profit Pool. This is one of the most commonly used tactics to maintain profitability. We are usually in one big profit pool together, and that pool has a profit meter that must maintain a certain level. When that profit meter falls below certain levels, the search begins to find the individuals filing claims that are costing the company money. These individuals filing claims will usually be singled out for rate increases to get them out of the profit pool because the health insurance company is losing money. The health insurance company hopes an insured leaves and changes their policy to another insurance company by doing this after the 12-month rate lock period. The main reason health insurance offers a 12-month rate lock and no longer is because statistics show most all insureds do not file claims in the first 12 months, making those premiums all profit and still giving you a big fat rate increase after 12 months. After 12 months, histories show insured's claims filings go way up, so health insurance companies do not traditionally offer longer than 12-month rate locks normally. Just because you're guaranteed health insurance, it doesn't matter. They will find a way to profit through the policy's clauses usually written by lawyers, so the normal person won't understand it until it's too late. The health insurance company's focus is profit, and by having healthy insured policy owners in that profit pool that normally do not file claims and getting rid of clients with a high risk of filing claims increases profits. If the plan ends up with too many insured filing claims, even healthy people will have rate increases to pay for others in their classification filing claims. Hence, the health insurance company maintains policy pools on more healthy people to increase the profit meter and isolates others, exposing them to usually larger rate increases, usually forcing the insured filing more claims to change their policy because the rates become unaffordable. Thus, the insured may end up totally losing coverage if he or she is not being able to pay the higher premiums. Many companies with groups insurance are doing annual BMI body mass index ratings, and those that do not meet their guidelines suffer individual rate increases on a group health insurance plan. Make sure your health insurance company cannot single you out for rate increases or cancel you for any reason other than not paying your insurance premiums. To avoid this, adverse selection processes so you can maintain your health insurance at a point in life when you may need it the most. Inside the profit pool, you will have rate classifications and discounts. The rate classifications usually consist of preferred, standard, preferred smoker, and tobacco user classifications. Most health insurance companies will fit you into one of these classifications. An agent is usually taught not to offer a preferred rating classification, so if you think you are healthy and can qualify for it, ask for it. If you are healthy and take care of yourself with no smoking, medications, or bad habits and are height and weight proportionate, you need to ask for this preferred rate class. You deserve the lower premium. Insurance companies will usually put you in the standard classification, even if you qualify for the preferred, just to collect the extra premium, unless you apply for and request the preferred rate classification at point of application. A preferred smoker is usually a classification you can qualify for if you smoke less than 10 cigarettes daily or are a casual smoker. Otherwise, you will be a tobacco user classification if you smoke more than that or chew tobacco normally. This comes with a high additional premium rate up, usually as much as 50% increase on the premium for the insured on the whole health insurance policy. Remember, this is a classification coverage, so the company can say you are not being singled out for rate increases. In reality, you virtually receive the same coverage whether you are classified as a preferred smoker or tobacco user, but your premiums are lower for a preferred smoker. Be very careful, especially if you are diagnosed with a chronic illness resulting from smoking and the physician indicates your illness was caused from heavy tobacco use. Realize that blood tests can be taken to determine the level of nicotine in your body. If the tests register you as a heavy smoker and you applied for a preferred smoker status, you could be in trouble. You may face claims denial or policy termination because it will be represented that you provided fraudulent information on your initial application for health insurance. Always tell the truth on health insurance applications. Try to qualify for preferred rating classes when applying. It will help you control your premiums. Let the company come back with a counteroffer if they do not accept that classification request. Do not be misleading if you are a heavy smoker or chew tobacco products and smoke cigars on a regular basis. Blood tests can easily show a pattern of nicotine in the applicant's system that could show up in your medical records on the MIB, Medical Information Bureau. There is also a new discount sometimes available today that health insurance companies are offering called a healthy discount. It will usually be associated with only filing a small dollar amount of claims per year, under 500 or less, and you could lower your premiums by usually 10% depending on the company. Understand that every person covered on that one policy, individual or family, must each usually be below the dollar claim amount to receive this discount. Remember, even if you qualify for this premium decrease, a health insurance company may still expose you to an annual rate increase and back that discount out if you qualify. An example would be a 24% annual renewal rate increase and you will receive a 10% healthy discount. You will still have your premiums increased by 14% even though you have only filed a very small amount of claims, yet the health insurance company still collects all your past, present, and future premiums while giving you a rate increase and paying out very little in claims. So it appears to be a way that health insurance companies can bump up the size of rate increases for everyone and give you the perception that you are getting an additional benefit with this discount. Everyone else that does not qualify for this discount can get the entire rate increase that was not discounted. An even higher rate increase than their normal rate may be because they have to factor in where the costs are going to come from for those that qualify for the healthy discount. It's a way to get rid of the insureds filing claims with much higher than normal rate increases due to this discount, which in reality is just another strategy used in the name of profit and not healthcare. So listen, this is very important. One thing will help you correctly manage your healthcare is always to ask questions. Ask for the preferred rating statuses when you apply for health insurance. If you are a healthy person, ask for any special discount you may receive when applying for health insurance or annual rate adjustments you may receive, whether it's an individual or a group plan. This has been the Profit Trap Podcast, Health Insurance Industry Secrets. Weekly episodes every Sunday. Like us, follow us, share us, subscribe to us, and download us. You can find us on YouTube at Health Insurance Industry Secrets, Facebook, Health Insurance Secrets, Instagram, Health Insurance Secrets, Twitter, Health Insurance Secrets, and our podcast, Health Insurance Secrets. Get connected today so you don't miss any of this must-have, need-to-know information to protect yourself, your family, your assets, and your future.